how to find questions and feedback in stories notification settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub and go to history lines and then settings. Now go to notifications and then scroll until you find here story replies, in the red. Here is it, questions and feedback in stories. Click on it and here you can manage it, and that's it. You can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.